Hey, it's Kuykendall from Lehman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2013 Malibu. This thing is a good looking car. I took it on trade. Folks traded it for a pickup truck. He had a truck, drove his wife's car after she bought a different something and traded it in to me. We haven't even cleaned this up yet, so it's a little dusty, but it is certainly not bad at all. Tires are just super deep on it. There will kind of give you an overall idea. They're all like that. It's black metallic, sunroof, power windows, power door locks. It's just one of those great cars. 40-some thousand mile, LT, well maintained. I'll give you an overall look of it. Here's the inside the back seat. Like I said, we haven't even vacuumed it out yet. Driver's door, of course, power windows, power door locks. Got a power driver's seat. Seats are in great shape. Has a sunroof on it. Air conditioning's ice cold. Automatic, of course. Super low mileage. Let me close the door. Hopefully it'll show it. So it's 48,923 for mileage. Great car. Call me on this one, 309-275-7257. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Lehman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.